Is that the culprit?
Pretty sure.
It's exactly what we saw on that YouTube. Look at that.
That's it, right. Maybe it's
Mm-hmm. So we parked here last night, got it all hooked up, and we had water all in the bedroom. And we figured out that behind the Nautilus system, it was leaking. And so,
this little guy.
I feel like we're just getting ready to just roll and do somersaults all the way down. Oh my goodness. That's just hilarious. Oh shit! Oh my god! Now what? What? This says it's a blue! Blue is medium. Let's go. Let's go that way and back up that one hill that I said that missed that. This is not what we are used to. We're not scary jeepers. Oh, it actually isn't that bad. I wonder if it's going to make a difference now that I have 50 layers on.
I don't know.
So these days of not having the razor to use have been a lot of sitting around by the fireplace, watching our favorite YouTube channels, eating snacks, having a few drinks. thanks. And now I think I have gained weight in just those few days. This isn't fitting. Okay. I should have grabbed this. It's definitely like those harnesses when you're going on an upside down roller coaster. Alright. Oh wow. This is when you start feeling like, you know,
Feel cold air.
Mark Twain. That's kind of cool back in there.
How deep is it?
It's not that bad. I just don't know if I want to roll around in the mud. But it's really cool, actually. I don't feel cool air, actually.
You do or don't?
Oh, well, there it is. Muddy hand. If it wasn't, oh, that's really neat. If it wasn't so muddy and rainy, like that first day, I would have gone in there. You want to look? Because that's not a bad cave at all. It's just like right there. It's shallow. I know. A bear would like to be in there. Right? It's not that bad. It's kind of cool. Did you just hit your head on that?
I touched it.
Ugh. There's our exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was rough.
Right? Little jaunt getting up here, wasn't it?
That's the problem. It was just a little one.
I know.
I feel like I'm climbing Everest.
I love that somebody put chairs there to look at. The bluffs over there. So we got to have a day of play.
We got one day of play.
Yay! It was fun.
Was.
I've enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yes. Yep, we had a great time. Even though it's in the 40s and cloudy and wet. Whatever.
Hunger pains and all that stuff.
Are you hungry?
Oh, you were.
Oh.
You get grouchy.
Did I get grouchy? So, yeah, it's been a great spring break.
Yeah.
We've had some trials of both.
But it was cool because we got to go see Rogers.
We did get to see Rogers. We like Rogers a lot.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're going to take a selfie. Let's get sweet. Nice. Oh, I like that. It was one of the blues on Upper End Blue.
Well,
Are we going to be in that ravine again? Oh boy.
I just turn around and go back up.
Yeah. We just want to stay on the Dingleberry roads and stuff like that. Poker Run. Poker Run's a nice calm one. Oh, okay. Oh, God.
Scared me like
Well, honey, I got scared. I'll plug it out.
that should be fine.
I think this is the one we almost fell on. You think we can do this?
I might be able to.
You got a wheel. Your wheels are there going straight up this ravine, and then your wheels need to go that way. Okay, go for it.
That's all great and everything, but now I can't see. And I don't have my hikers. So there he is. So I'm going to take a pause. So I made it to the top. Here we are. Home sweet home.
Yep,
We did it.
we did.
It was fun. Thank you. Check.